This website paid me while I was asleep, and it doesn't require a huge following or a storefront. I'm going to show you step by step how this program works. The Amazon Associate Program, how I got started and how you can too. I create free content that many people charge for, and all I ask that you like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss further uploads. Let's dive right into it. Program, also called Amazon Affiliate, is how you earn commission by sharing Amazon product links. You recommend products on YouTube, blogs, TikTok, Instagram, and when people click your link, buy something, it could be literally anything. They could buy something and you will earn a percentage without needing a storefront or big follower. So you don't have to have no big follower account on Instagram. You just need a link. And you just need someone to buy from that link. And if they recommend, if they have other products near it and they still click it and purchase it, you would still get commission for it. So first you're gonna go to Google, type in Amazon Associate Program. Click on this link right here, the Amazon.com Associate Central. When you click on that, you're gonna be at this page right here, and it's gonna give you more information about it. And just click sign up, and then we're gonna sign up. I'm going to sign up. I'm gonna create a new Amazon account since I already have one. But in general, you would just sign into your Amazon account that you have. But if not, create a new one. But once you signed up, you should be here on this page where you can enter your website. So right here, you add your link. So I'm gonna come up with a fake one that I already did, samplesite.com, and we're gonna just add that, and it will just add right here. You can add as many websites as you want, and then click next. And down here, I'm gonna say no, confirm. Now right here is where you're gonna put your preferred associate store ID, city, home decor. Now, so I'll keep it like that. It's not a big deal though, but you know. So if any home decor, just so I would know what it is. And then you want to tell them about your content you create. So with home decor, I create, you want to be as detailed as possible on this section. So you could say I create, you could say I create content on my Instagram. I create content on my Instagram. Say I create content on my Instagram about home decor. You could just be very detailed. For this video, I'm just giving you an example, just like I create content on my Instagram about home decor. I'm gonna just fill in these sections. We're gonna make sure we're not a robot, y'all. Finish this out. Click on you agree. Don't forget this. It won't let you go through. So you agree, finish. Now we have our unique associate. So right here, you're gonna enter your payment and tax. You enter your payment and tax information. Click on now so you can enter it. You want to click on your payment method. Pay by gift card, pay by check. You can click on which one you want to get paid by, pay by check. Put a minimum payment. I'm going to keep my minimum payment as $100. Keep minimum payment and then save those changes. Once you save them, you can look a bank account up right here and add your bank account info if you wanted to get deposit there instead. And you click save changes after that. But if you don't, you could just use, you get paid by check or by gift card. Okay, so now that we have the payment method set up, we're ready to go. Let's go to the home dashboard. We go to home dashboard. This is where you're going to see your earnings from. When you get your order, when someone placed an order, you will see your earning. You could see your items shipped, total items that have been shipped, your total earning, your order items, the clicks, your conversion rate. So you get to see all your information on this dashboard right here. And this right here is submit your tax information up here. So you'll click this button, submit tax information. And okay, so when you get here, your tax information right here. I am in the United States. I don't know how it works for any other country, but in the United States, you click this. So we're going to complete it. So you will complete it. I'm not going to complete it fully, but I'm going to show you how to complete it. So you'll click individual. Are you a United States resident? Yes. You'll put your name. Okay. Now, if you someone like me, I don't like to use my social security number for any of these things. So I will do an EIN. I'll put your EIN number here. If you want to use your social security number, you could put that there too. Just click on what option you want to use and put the number there. Put your address in and say save, and you should be good to go to get ready. Now, if you do want to use an EIN and you don't have an EIN number, you're like, okay, where do I go to get an EIN? You would just go up here and type in EIN number. And you do not have to pay for your EIN number. It's on irs.gov. And you can go here and get your EIN number right here. Say apply for an EIN and go through these steps. You click right here to apply for an EIN number, and you can get your EIN number right on irs.gov, and it's free. It's free, guys. It's a lot of sites out there that like charge you and stuff like that, because I ran into that same problem, but it is free. So you go right here and click apply for your EIN number, and you can get your EIN number. They give you your EIN number right away. They email it to you, and you can use the EIN number right away. That's your first EIN. And then you'll come up here and put your EIN number in that they gave you. Put your address in and click save. I'm not going to do it because I already got it done on my other account. But yeah, so that's what you would do right there for the submit tax. That's what you would do for the submit tax information. And this is your dashboard where you would get everything from. Now you're probably thinking like, okay, now how do I get the link? So I'm going to show you now how you get the product link. So how do it work? You will log into your Amazon account. You go to your Amazon, just amazon.com. And when you log into your Amazon, now you're going to see this up here. It's going to be up here. You're going to see this say get link. So you're going to search your product. So I'm going to search the camera, the vlogging camera that everybody and their mama have, because I actually wanted one day. But we're going to search that camera. So the camera vlogging, I'm trying to remember what it's called. So you click the product you want right here. So this is the product I want. This is a product I want people to purchase. And you'll go up here where it says get link. And when you go up here, you will click get link. And it will generate a link for you. And this is the link right here that you use. The short link. This is the full link. That's long. So use a short link. And you just copy this link and you could put it anywhere. We talked about how to sign up and how it works. So now let's dive into where you can post your links. You can add affiliate links to YouTube video, description, Instagram link in bio, TikTok bio, or comments, blog, or newsletters. It's flexible. You can put the link anywhere you want to put it. And when you put it there, once somebody click it, then you will earn money. Now, when putting your link in Instagram, you can make a video of your product. You could showcase your product and then put the link there so people could know where to purchase the Amazon product. When someone clicks your link and buys any product within 24 hours, even if not the item you shared, you earn a commission, usually 1 through 10%, depending on category. Plus, commissions even apply to other items in their cart. Okay, next, we're going to talk about how to boost your earnings. Pick mid-price, high-quality items in your niche, like $50 to $200 range will be great. Use keywords like top must-haves and show the product in action. Here is an example of a creator doing it well. If you look at the video, you'll notice how she is showing the product in action. She's showing the people how to use the product. And this is exactly what you have to do when posting your product on Instagram or TikTok so you could sell people to buy the product on Amazon. Tips and requirements you may need. You'll need to make 3 qualifying sales within 180 days or your account may close. That's a big, big tip. And add this disclosure. When you post links, add as an Amazon associate I earn from qualifying purchases. Now that is optional, but you can add that line of text so people will know that when they use your link or they purchase from your link, that you are making commission from it. You are earning money from it. If this helped you, please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe for more free gems that helps you make money online. Let's start building that passive income today. See you in the next video.